Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I got in the mail from Amazon a new toy. I don't know why I waited so long to get one. I felt like I never really saw anybody using them in their videos, and maybe that's why I didn't get them. So anyway, I'm just going to show you if you have the struggle. So this is thinking of you, but I'm just going to test this top part. If this is you and you struggle, I feel like this is what my projects... This is how I normally do this. Like gluing intricate dies, or, you know, it's got skinny little parts like this little swirl, words, even things that aren't words that are just super intricate, like lattice and whatever. So, obviously glue does dry, I get it. But if this is you, then stay tuned, because that glue, like, you could try to clean it up, but I feel like something so intricate when you're trying to use wet glue, it gets everywhere. And it does dry, and some of it does dry clear, but you could still see where it dried cleared. And I'm over it. I'm a design team member for several AliExpress companies, so I want things to look pretty. So I'm gonna test this out. This is the other part of that die. And I want to run it through my new toy. So let me show you what I got. I'm sure you all have it. It's the Xyron machines. It's been out for years, so I'm sure they have lots of like old versions, new versions. They all do the same thing, and lots of different sizes. There was a 9-inch one that's wide for some of your bigger projects, but I don't think a lot of my dies are like that wide or that big that I need that. So I just got the 5-inch one, and then you can also do a 3-inch section as well. And it's like a tape. Basically, it turns any die cut, any piece of paper like this, if I ran this through, it turns anything into a sticker. So it makes the entire backside adhesive. Adhesived? Is that even a word? So yeah, let me open this back up and then I'll get back. Okay, so I literally just opened it up, and this was kind of wrapped in like plastic. And how many of you ladies do not read instructions? God, I loathe user guides. Like, I feel like it's just it's in a different language. I don't even know. I'm a picture person, and I learn by example, not by words. And I feel like I was that way in college as well. So anyway, this is it. I did see, okay, yeah, this cuts your sticker when you're done, and this is how you open it. Oh, I guess it pushes. Okay, so this is what the one that I got on Amazon, it comes with the 5-inch sticker. Like, your sticker could be at least 5 inches wide, but I don't want to waste all that stickerage. So I did go ahead and buy this separately, which is the 3-inch refill, because this takes both 5-inch and 3-inch. So let me open this up and switch them out. Okay, so I have the little one opened up. It looks just like this big cartridge, but miniature version. It's got something sticky on there. I don't know how you take this out. Oh, literally, it just lifts up, so there's no... Oh. Okay, so that's what it looked like. Okay, that's where the two pieces meet. I'm just trying to look at this without having to do whatchamacallit, instruction, user guides. So this is what it looks like. And then I saw one of the videos, I think that's where the little short one. Okay, so I remember seeing one video where it said you need to see this label facing you. Okay, so it just slides in there. That green little thing is kind of like the guide where it goes. It goes on the right-hand side and just pops on in. Okay, except for I wonder if I have to feed this paper through the back at all. Kind of like the last one looked. I'm gonna try that. I don't know though. I'm just trying to use something long like my fingers to get it out. Okay, so it's kind of like feeding through the back. I think that's what it's supposed to do. Okay. I don't know, I'm scared. Okay, it's shut. Now what? Shoot, I'm gonna have to read instructions, because I don't, or is this supposed to be open? Okay, where's my die cut? Okay, so I'm just gonna do this part of the U. I think you just, oh yeah. So you just slip it in this part, like where the little dot is, whatever color you got. Okay, And this is your little handle. It folds in. It's kind of like the cuddle bug. Let's see. Oh, okay. So look, it's when I started doing it, it's sucking it in. Sounds like a little mouse. Okay, where is it? Hallelujah. Okay, so obviously I want the last part of my word or my letter or my image. Okay, so this is super easy, you guys. I haven't even whatchamacallit, read instructions. Then again, I don't know. Let's see if it works. Better bite my tongue. So some of the tips I received were to bone fold it to really get a good grip on your, I guess, whatever shape you're getting. Okay, let's see here. And then peel the top part off. Okay, so now I have this on like the waxy paper. I was told to bunch this up like a ball and then kind of, oh yeah. Okay, so do you see the little, let me try to, see how there's still some sticky residue on the wax, like in the small crevices of the letter throughout here? You're supposed to just get this and kind of get the little, those little pieces out so that those don't end up on your project or your card. And this is working really well. Okay, so I don't see any gunk, I don't think. There's my little ball because it's sticky. Now what? I'm scared. Okay. So I guess I just, oh, look. It's literally, okay, maybe I should bone fold it a little bit more. Okay, so I would really get a good grip so it doesn't stick to the wax paper. Okay, you know what I should use? One of these? I don't know. Get it off. Because I don't want to rip my die cut. This is a very intricate little die cut. Okay, so let me act like this is my card. Thinking, oops, like, I don't want to do this part. So let's just say it was right there. Okay, so look at the before, just using wet glue. As you could tell, it's drying and it doesn't look as drastic as when it was first white, really bright glue, but you can still see the glue, you know? Okay, and then here is with the Xyron maker, that's glue from the other guy. But it is 1,000 times better. Look at that. I don't see any glue oozing out, and I think that tip with the sticky ball onto this was amazing to get the rest of the little letters and parts of it. So yeah, you go from a C project to an A project because it just looks more professional looking. So I am happy with this thing. I'm going to try it again with something more, I guess, a different, and I'm just going to fast forward through this part.
What is that? So, Mom, what is that? I'm cutting machine.
Actually, I'm not even going to fast forward through this because this is so fast. I don't even need it. Get on there. Take your top plastic piece off. Kind of feels like a grocery bag. Bundle it up so that the sticky part's on the outside. Just go along your whole little die cut in the little like nooks and crannies. Cranny and nook, or nook and cranny? Nook and cranny. Oh, see the little stars? How it has the goop? Get in there. I'm so excited. I think this is just going to make my projects go by faster, because sometimes a little glue tab and a tiny little nozzle is going to take forever versus this. Just run it through real quick. Okay. I think that's everything. I don't think I see any gunk. I don't know, but I could always go over it. Okay, peel off my sticker. Ooh, it's really sticky. I'm so excited. Okay, so there is a tiny little bit of gunk. I don't know if I got that from peeling the sticker off or, what's the word? I didn't get it good while it was on that wax paper, but you can still go over the project after the fact. Well, so far for me, it's not ripping anything. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this thing. And they do have a miniature one. It's shaped like an X. and it is 1.5 inches wide. So it would work perfect. You just run your word through like this or this. It would not fit this because this is wider than 1.5 inches. But if you just want it just for words, $11 for the little baby one. And there's a Teresa Collins one. It's white. But $11 versus this one. I got this so I can use on some of my bigger projects. So I paid $29 for this one. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, look at this. Okay, now let's see let's see if I messed up, because this is the permanent adhesive. I guess there's options to get like I don't even know, temporary. Okay, so if you put this down and you fold it, your project's messed up. You're like, it's done. It's permanent. Don't rip it off. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay, so yeah, that is my quick little, I guess, tutorial, a new toy I got. I'm happy to share it. It was not sponsored. I was just trying to make my life easier with die cutting and gluing and whatnot. All right, bye guys. Catch you on the next video.